In this video, we're going to see some examples of how to work with numbers in a shell script. So the first thing I want to go over is how you can represent different bases with your numeric literals. So if I wanted to, for example, do something in decimal, then I could surround it in double parentheses with a $sign preceding it and say 255. And let me make sure that this is executable. It looks like it is. So the executable is bit set, so I don't need to change the permissions. So let's run that. And you can see decimal 255. I can also do hexadecimal. And 255 in hexadecimal is FF. So I'll do that. I can also do octal. And 255 in octal is, I believe, 377. And I precede that with a 0 to indicate that it's octal. Again, just like in C. And if I run this, you can see it prints out 255 for each one. You can also do binary. And a binary starts with a 2 and a hash. And then it would be 8 ones in sequence because basically every bit being set. So if we run that again, you can see that we get 255 as the output. So all of these evaluate to 255 in decimal. Now you've already seen some operations, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I just want to make sure that you're aware. So we have, if we do 10 divided by, say, 2, that's equal to 10 divided by 2. And then let's do 10 divided by 3. Then let's do 17 modulo 5. So something's off there. I'm missing an opening parentheses. There we go. And so you can see you get the results you would expect. Again, that's integer division, not floating point division. So one thing to be aware of, suppose I have a variable num that's equal to 10. So I'll echo what that is. And then I'm going to do num plus equal to 10. Or actually, let's do 3 there so that it's a little easier to see what's going on. And then I'll print out what num is equal to. That's after we do num plus equals 3. When I run this, notice num is equal to 103. It basically appends the digit 3 to the end of num. So now let's reset. So we'll say num is equal to 10. If I put num plus equal to 3 in double parentheses, now let's see what num is equal to. And you'll notice there we get 13, which is what you would expect. So just something to be aware of when you're working with numbers, that you are working with the actual values and not just the string of digits.